a porta potty review here on new home construction here off Holly Street here in Emerald Isle Beach, North Carolina. This home looks like it's almost finished. Very nice looking home with a pool. Take a look at this porta potty here and then take a look a little bit at the house here. This is on the corner of Holly Street and Forest Drive here at Emerald Isle Beach. Corner lot home. So down east porta potty. Go inside and see what it looks like here. And it smells really bad. Typical construction site porta potty that's been here for a while. And it's starting to rain. At our vents, we have a toilet that is full. Got some kind of, our aim is to keep your toilet clean. You got a aiming here for your urinal part, which is good to have, so you know where you're going to hit. It's like it was last cleaned April 13th. And we have a mirror. You can look at yourself too as you're sitting here. We have one roll of toilet paper here. Looks like some graffiti here or some names. Don't see a soap dispenser. Got our vent pipe. Smells bad. Let's take a look on the outside here. As it's raining more now. Got our vent pipe up here is sitting on skids. Looks like they used a big board here to level it, which is pretty good instead of having it leaning. Looks like this is the builder here, contractor. And this is the back of it. All in all, not too bad. We'll give it a medium thumbs up on this particular porta potty here on Holly Street off Forest Drive. Looks like they just put some sod down here. Just want to take a look at the pool here. Doesn't that look nice? It's going to be one nice home here.